Good evening, Professor and classmates. My name is Cherie Sims, and I recently completed my bachelor's in healthcare management as a full-time working mother of 2 teenagers. I have had the privilege of being involved in ministry and helping people my whole life. I am a youth teacher at our local church and worship band leader where my husband pastors. I enjoy being able to help individuals in times of their greatest needs, thus the reason why I began to pursue a career in healthcare management. So many have questions when they are in the hospital, as it is new territory for them to travel. So I have been able to utilize my skills learned to assist families and patients in moments of unknown. I recently made transition into my new job role of hospital administration and business development, where I coordinate the admissions department of the only rehab hospital program in our county. We also recently obtained our 3-year CARF accreditation, which takes about a year and a half for our team to prepare for, so this was a huge success for our team. And while being a part of a great team is invigorating, I often have to remind myself in administration that perfection is not my daily goal. My daily reminder in my office is strive for progress, not perfection. While perfection is sometimes obtainable, progress is always there for the taking. So even if I have a setback, I can still take the opportunity to learn and utilize that moment to succeed. My goal for this journey is to continue adding valuable information that can help me succeed in my healthcare administration career. But more importantly, helping everyone live a longer, happier, and healthier life. Thank you, and cheers to the semester.